Morning students, today we will learn lesson number 6 Wattpad. In this lesson, I am teaching to you how to start the Wattpad, how to type in Wattpad, how to save a file in Wattpad and how to open a saved file in Wattpad and how to close the Wattpad. In this lesson, you will learn that a computer is a wonderful machine and it helps us in many ways like writing notes, stories, letters and everything in Wattpad. Wattpad is a word processor program. It helps us to create and store and print the text. How to start a Wattpad? Click on the start button. Go to the all program. Go to the accessories and in accessories you will get Wattpad program. You have to scroll down. You will get here Wattpad. In this way you have to open your Wattpad. This Wattpad window opens up on a screen. It has 5 main parts. One is the Wattpad button, second one is the cursor, third one is the close button, then ribbon, text area, quick access toolbar. I will show to you. It is the quick access toolbar. It is the Wattpad button. In a quick access toolbar you will get this save button, undo button and redo button. In a Wattpad button you will get this option new, open, save as, print, page setup, send in email, this exit. This is the option is in Wattpad button. It is the close button. You can close from here, minimize. You can minimize from here. And you can open again. Then you can restore from here, your page you can restore from here, means it will come, you will get it small size. Again maximize. Then it is the text area or document area. In a Paint we will say it is a drawing area because we can draw in a Paint program. But here we cannot draw, we can type text. That's why it is the document area or a text area. It is a ribbon. In Home tab contain this many options, this many groups, clipboard group, font group, paragraph group, insert group, and these groups some options are there. And second tab is the View tab. In a View tab some options are there. You can see here. In a View tab Zoom group, Show or Hide group and Setting group is there. We will go in a Home tab. Next is the cursor. This is the small blinking line on the screen. It is called cursor. Okay. These are the main part of the Wattpad program. I will show to you, I will explain to you one by one. Wattpad button. Wattpad button show a menu of options like file, save as, open, new, print, etc. It contains options that you can use to like this. I already showed to you in a Wattpad button this many options are there. Close button is used to close the Wattpad window. Okay, you can close from here like this. Your Wattpad window will close. Again you can open. Click on start button, go to the all program, then go to the accessories, then click on Wattpad. Ribbon show the different commands to work in Wattpad group. Text area used to type text. Cursor, it is the small blinking line, and quick access toolbar, it provides us different options which can be clicking and accessed easily. Means you can save easily from here, you can undo from here and you can redo from here. Let's see how to write in Wattpad.